Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. The beautiful Edinburgh III Plan, built by Pierwood Construction. This 2-story home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, with all of the bedrooms upstairs. You will also find the laundry room upstairs for added convenience. The kitchen is open to the great room in the dining area, which has a door leading to the rear covered porch. Upstairs you will find the owner's suite, with large bath, with separate garden tub and walk-in shower, as well as a large walk-in closet. You will also find that the remaining 3 bedrooms are of good size. The main living areas will have click flooring, while the baths and laundry room will have tile flooring. The countertops in the kitchen and baths will be granite. The builder is offering a $5,000 buyer's incentive on this home. 625 KR 080301